Okay, so I'm working on my last one now. So this is without the pastel green. So I'm starting with my Anthrax blue, just a dab of blue. And I'll tell you what, it's made a huge difference compared to my Lazy Susan I made. Here's a Lazy Susan I'm referring to, and with the double dab of blue, it helps it become more rich in color. And now I got my gold, all but burying that blue. And that blue comes back. So that was Anthrax blue and my gold. And now I'm going to go to my Nicolazzo gold by Golden. And I'll show you my consistencies on the next color. That's a new color that I've been playing with, that I just bought. And I love the color. I'm almost out of my Nicolazzo. So this is a dreamy blue quartz. I don't know if you can see that. It's this guy. And I got him for $2.49 at Hobby Lobby. Just a smooth and silky, dreamy color. And it's making all these paints just glide. It's just gliding. It's gorgeous. And it's beautiful. Back to my Anthrax blue to round out the combination. I'm really happy with this color combination. Even when I was using the pearl green, it was pretty. Okay, cell activator. My white American Floetrol. Video 141, if you want to see how it's made. Get it in the middle. Boom. Bullseye. Black. Oxide black. And blow. Alright everybody, I'm going to talk through this for a second. When I blow straight down into that cell activator, I'm trying to blow it out in a full circle. This blow did not come out perfectly, so I spun the coaster around a little bit to try to round it out. And then once I get that ridge, I try to blow onto that ridge to skim that cell activator over the top of the paints and the paints out over the pillow. That's my thought process as I go through the blowing out process to spread out that cell activator. So when you blow it out, you don't want to go to the edges. You want to have it still stay in the middle of the tile, because you want to have your spin, I think, you want to have your spin be what spreads it all out uniformly. And something I've been doing lately, if you haven't noticed, is that when I'm blowing, sometimes I get it in a shape of like an almond, and I want it to be round. I'll start turning it so that my lips, when they're still blowing in that direction, will shape it out better. That's another cheat. All these free cheats. You guys, I wish I had somebody telling me all these little cheats. I will throw in here, you also, as you go along, start to realize what works for you. It doesn't necessarily work for everybody. All right. Making sure my edges are pretty covered. Otherwise the paint's not gonna flow there. Then you're gonna wonder why your paint is stuck. Get it all lubricated. Ready to flow. Cell activator's been working like crazy. and I've mentioned this in another video, but if your cell activator is not activating, you probably have too thick a cell activator. And I am theorizing that when you put your cell activator down, if it's too thick, it's gonna just literally block out the other colors from coming through. It's gonna act like a lid. Oh, this one's just pretty. Look how evenly it's blooming out in all directions except for the corners, which is expected, because that is the farthest point upon which the paint has to spread, because it's farthest away from the center, the corners. You want to see it spread uniformly across the four corners. Wow. Yeah, it's like the green was almost superfluous. It really, because the gold and the blue are acting like the green substitute, because yellow and blue make green. And that's one thing, if you don't know how colors interact with each other, like what color goes with what to make what, you need to learn a little bit. Then it'll help you in layering your colors. Oh, this one's really pretty. So pretty. I don't even know what video to pick to show you guys. Well, let's do a bunch of them. Just have a day of 3 different videos. Of course, that's just a lot of work for me. This is just pretty. It's just pretty. Okay, I'm stopping there. All right, folks. Okay, folks. Here we go. This is where she is. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful. So everyone, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video, and these are the 4 coasters I created out of that color combination that will be listed in the description. Coming up is the fully resined results. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the bell and all, and you'll get all my latest art tutorials. And at the very end, I'll have my Bloom Coaster playlist if you want to see other combinations and other color palettes. And I have to say, I really appreciate you being here and taking your time to watch. And everything I create is available for sale. Thanks a lot, everybody. Take care.